Ito yung puno ng niyog. Tapos, yung ubod, pwede siyang kainin. Ayan, kumain si German ng ubod. Na galing sa coconut tree. Fresh. Masarap daw, matamis. O siya na, coconut tree. Tinutol ni Papa. Para maluwag daw sa bakuran. Sarap na sarap siya sa ubod. Lunch niya to. Lunch.
Ngayon kung pinakatilang sa Thailand?
Thailand. First time daw niyang makatry nito sa Thailand. Dahil sa Europe, it's so expensive.
May sa Europe ba yan?
But in Europe, they sell it.
They make it in ice cream.
Ice cream?
In ice cream. Coconut.
Coconut flavor?
If you go to ice cream shop or somewhere, you can order ice cream coconut.
Really? May ice cream coconut pala. Sa Europe daw, pero very expensive.
Double price.
Double price?
Normal ice cream.
It's more
One portion is €1, and for it maybe.
So it means it's more expensive than Magnum ice cream. Nagkagawa daw siya ng ice cream tong ubod ng coconut tree.
Yes, ice cream, strawberry, mango, and all these fruits. But coconut is.
First time ko rin makatry netong ubod.
Ang pakakakang guys. Ako sa arasasan, sige ako yung kaon. Yung may magputol na.
Kung gusto niyong kumain, comment down below, joke.
This is our food for the next 2 weeks. This is the food for our next 2 weeks.
All of that can eat? Ha? Yung pinakailaw.
Yung kaputi guys.
Yan sa tunga.
Yung kaputi.
Yan sa...
Nagtuhan.
Himbisan. Pinutol ni Papa. Samantalang si Mama gumagawa ng walis ting-ting.
The mama doesn't eat.
She will eat, but she don't have teeth anymore.
Unless, cow is food.
Gumagawa din siya ng usok. Sinunog niya yung dahon ng niyog. Ito yung farm namin dito sa Hubang. Marami kaming puno ng niyog. Meron pa kami saging. At yun ang bagong gawa namin kalsada. Sagdi na ito.
You cannot cut every day one palm tree.
No.
It's so expensive.
Yeah. Ayan, sarap na sarap siya. Lunch niya yan. Your lunch.
Better than rice.
Ha?
Better than rice.
Manganha sa sila sa unaban.
Better than rice?
You don't have to cook. Rice, so many vitamins go away in your when you cook in your egg. But here, everything is there.
Ito yung tapahan namin. Diyan niluluto yung okra. Kain tayo. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.